Hey everyone! Today I'm going to walk you through how to share an Instagram Reel to your Snapchat story. If you've tried this before, you might have noticed it's not straightforward. But don't worry, I'll show you a couple of easy ways to get it done. First, open the Instagram app. Head over to the Reels section and pick the reel you'd like to share. Unfortunately, there's no direct option to share it to Snapchat, but here's what you can do. Option 1. Tap the airplane icon and download the reel to your Instagram story. This saves the reel to your device, so you can then upload it to Snapchat as a story. Option 2. If it's a reel you've created, go to your profile and navigate to your reels. Tap the 3 dots on the reel you want, then choose download. Once it's saved to your device, open Snapchat and upload it to your story from there. While there's no direct way to share a reel from Instagram to Snapchat, these methods work well and are super simple. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, feel free to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you soon.